Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Quickbase app. If you're not familiar with Quickbase, it's a low-code application development platform that allows you to create custom business applications without having to write any code. This makes it a great option for businesses of all sizes, as it allows them to quickly and easily create the applications they need to be successful. In this video, I'll cover the basics of creating a Quickbase app, including how to create tables, fields, and forms. I'll also show you how to add rules and workflows to your app and how to share it with other users. So, let's get started. What is Quickbase? Before we get started, let's take a quick look at what Quickbase is. As I mentioned earlier, Quickbase is a low-code application development platform that allows you to create custom business applications without having to write any code. This makes it a great option for businesses of all sizes, as it allows them to quickly and easily create the applications they need to be successful. Benefits of using Quickbase. There are a number of benefits to using Quickbase, including easy to use. Quickbase is very easy to use, even for people with no technical experience. No coding required. You don't need to know how to code to create a Quickbase app. Highly customizable. Quickbase is highly customizable, so you can create an app that meets your specific needs. Scalable. Quickbase is scalable, so you can add users and data as your business grows. Affordable. Quickbase is affordable, even for small businesses. How to create a Quickbase app. Now that we have a better understanding of what Quickbase is and the benefits of using it, let's get started creating our own app. Step 1. Sign up for a Quickbase account. The first step is to sign up for a Quickbase account. You can do this by going to the Quickbase website and clicking on the Sign Up button. Step 2. Create a new app. Once you've signed up for an account, you can create a new app. To do this, click on the Create New App button. Step 3. Name your app. The next step is to give your app a name. Step 4. Choose a template. Quickbase offers a number of templates that you can use to get started. Choose the template that best suits your needs. Step 5. Add tables, fields, and forms. Once you've chosen a template, you can start adding tables, fields, and forms to your app. Tables. Tables are used to store data in your app. Each table has a number of fields, which are used to store specific pieces of data. Fields. Fields are used to store data in a table. There are many different types of fields, such as text fields, number fields, and date fields. Forms. Forms are used to collect data from users. They can be used to create new records, update existing records, or search for records. Step 6. Add rules and workflows. Rules and workflows can be used to automate tasks in your app. For example, you can create a rule that automatically sends an email to a user when a new record is created. Step 7. Share your app. Once you've finished creating your app, you can share it with other users. You can do this by sending them an invitation to your app. That's it. You've now created your first Quickbase app. I hope this video has been helpful. I would love to hear your feedback on this video. Please leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.